In a real-time industrial application, you are facing different sizes and different weights of the boxes. And here now we are in a DOBOT booth to experience the DOBOT CR30H heavy load cobot together with HANVAC vacuum gripper. This is a perfect combination of the palletizing and depalletizing. As you can see here, with the vision support, we can select each box cleverly. That we call it like a smart palletizing and depalletizing. No matter what kind of size is your boxes, the robot and the vision camera can help you to select the correct boxes in your palletizing application. Please visit DOBOT booth to experience this smart palletizing application.